Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel where I make a cup of tea for you and explain about today's news. And before we start, I should explain that English is not my first language, so maybe I have any mistakes. And because I don't have time to edit my video, I publish daily videos. Maybe I have some mistakes or uh, about pronunciation problems. So sorry about that, but I try do my best to speak well with you guys. So before everything, please be sure that you subscribe my channel. I make your tea and let's start. How was your day? I hope you had fantastic day or night and have a good time. So, it's your tea and it's mine, and let's see what's happening in the world. First news is about Samsung. So, Samsung says that Galaxy S25 is uh, QI2 ready or Qi2 ready. So what is Qi2? Qi2 is new version of Qi or Qi1 that is for wireless charging. That last generation was Qi1 and new generation is Qi2 that you can charge your smartphones. That means S25, S25 Ultra or Plus with that Qi2 is available on them. So you can charge your phone wireless. So one question is that what's difference between Qi and Qi2? The first important part of difference is Qi2 has better performance for charging your phone. They said that your phone won't be warm or hot, and the speed of charging will improve. Qi 2 has better performance in compare with Qi 1, but we don't know. We should see what will happen in future. And it says that if you want to use it, and also you will have, for example, cover for your phone, your cover should has ability to work with Qi2. That means if you have simple cover for your phone, it won't work. So you should have special cover for your phone that it's Qi2 available for them. That means maybe it will be more expensive cover for them. So if you want to buy S25, you should also handle this kind of requirements to have a wireless charge. But I think that it is not very important. Just for example, in case that you want to charge your phone inside your car or something like that, you need wireless charging. In this condition, you can use of this system. But I think that it is not necessary to use of this system, wireless charging, when you can use normal charging. I think that you don't need wireless, but it's my mind. Maybe it is not correct in my opinion that it is not very important part of your phone, but also it is new news. Maybe you need it, so it is good news for you if you want Samsung or you're a Samsung fan, and it is new, good facility for you. So second news is about Apple. So, sorry, you can drink too. Um, it is first custom modem chip that Apple's made it by self. So, what is happening here? You know that Apple use of quantum chipsets, and they don't like it because it's very expensive for them. So they don't want to uh, ask their, for example, their chipsets from other companies. So they like to make chipsets themselves. In this condition, it will be cheaper for them. So uh, Apple decided to make their chip themselves. So here is said that the chip will be at the heart of Apple's $599 for iPhone 16e. So it will be new phones, and they will start their own chipset with iPhone E models, and that means in uh, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, we had old kind of chipsets. That means Qualcomm chipsets, but new Apples. That means Apple E 16e will have the new chipsets that Apple made them. So we don't know it is good as uh, Qualcomm modems or not, but we can guess that it can be good. Why? Because when Apple uh, produce own chipsets, maybe it will has good effect on performance. That means they are okay together. Uh, it is better than you, for example, buy your stuffs from other companies, and when you make yourself, I think that quality will be higher and performance also will be higher. So it's new news about modem chipsets that Apple will produce and won't work with Qualcomm anymore in future. So another news is not about telephone, it's about NASA. So a jumping lunar robot is about to explore a pitch black moon crater for the first time. So what's happening? Lunar robot. I think it is long time that NASA doesn't work on moon, because they said that it's very expensive to travel there, and also they think that it's not uh, usable. That means useless. That if you go there and try to research there, so too many people ask why NASA uh, gave up about moon and decided to go to uh, another planets. So no, we have new robots that will jump to moon, to black moon. That means dark part of moon, and that robot will research about water, and uh, will try to find H2O or waters. Maybe they can find, and if they can find water there, it's good news. That means maybe we can have some sign for living there. So the most important part of life is water, and if you find it, it's good news for us. So this robot will jump to there and looking for ice, H2O, or any kind of uh, sign of for living. So it's good news that NASA and SpaceX are working on this project to maybe find sign, any sign for living there. So, and last news for today is about Tesla. That Tesla is adding navigation to software for China. Why this news is important? All of us knows that Tesla is very famous in the world. In too many countries, they have car. They produce new cars, smart cars, electronics cars. And why it is very important news that they their navigation will work for China, because China, if you don't know, is close to world. That means their navigation, their map, everything is different. They don't use Google systems, Google services. They blocked everything, and they have their own system for navigation. And it is interesting why Tesla, why it is important for managers of Tesla to go to China, because in China we have BYD cars that no, at the first Elon Musk didn't accept them. It was look like a joke for him, but now he understood that BYD is very big and very big. It is very big competition between BYD and Tesla, and BYD started from China, and now in all of countries worldwide you can find BYD and very good cars, good quality of cars, and it's getting famous. So Tesla tried to go to China to sell this car to Chinese people. So, I think that is a strategy to make BYD weaker. Why? Because China has a very good population. And when they start to buy BYD, they make BYD bigger and bigger. And it is more dangerous for Tesla because after this population buy these cars, and this company will be bigger, and after they gain this power, they can send their car to other countries. So I think that Tesla wants to go to China to change people's mind to buy Tesla, not BYD. And because of the population, if Tesla find, for example, good customers there, it will be again dangerous for BYD. So it is nice competition between two companies, and I really like to see what will happen in future. Tesla will be the winner or BYD. And also China has too many companies, but BYD is, I think that's the biggest company that is, really Tesla feels that it will be dangerous for them if BYD gets bigger and bigger. So it is our last news for today, technology news. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and support me to make my channel bigger. And if you support me by watching and like my video, I can share my videos every day, and it will be look like motivation for me. So thank you for your support, and see you next video. Bye bye.